Hi, this is Tim White with Wet Sound. Today I'd like to speak with you about our XXX series of subwoofers. The XXX is a high output series of subwoofers in both a 12-inch and a 15-inch. As you can see, they're both absolute monsters. And the XXX 15 comes in at over 70 pounds, so you get some additional ballast at the same time. These are designed for guys that want to have extreme bass in their boat or side-by-side, needs a woofer that's going to work for that application as well as the extreme abuse that goes on in the marine environment or power sports environment. So these woofers are built like a tank. We have cast aluminum frames. We have our injection molded composite cone, which is a poly mica glass fierce composite. It's a unique blend that we've developed that's super light but super rigid. We thermoform our surround. As you can see, the high roll surround, it's a Santoprene rubber surround that's bonded. It's melted to the cone, so there's no glue to worry about separation. We also have a Santoprene rubber spider. In the spider, we have woven tinsel leads that are completely coated. So if you notice on the XXX woofers, we have a unique binding post. These binding posts use Allen tools to lock in the speaker wire. Typical binding posts have a spring. Over a period of time in marine environments, that spring could fail, or from the vibration of an extreme boat hitting wakes or a side-by-side. So we chose to design this binding post that has them actually lock in. So both woofers have our binding post system. It's a dual voice coil. Both woofers are dual 2 ohm. So you can run this woofer in parallel at a 1 ohm load, put an extreme amount of power, 1200 watts RMS for the 12, 2000 watts RMS for the 15, 4000 peak, 2400 peak. So you can see the XXX 15 weighs over 70 pounds. It's an absolute monster. On the XXX 12 and 15, we do a very unique magnet structure with a built-in heat sink. So if you notice on the back, we have a finned heat sink. That helps dissipate heat from the motor structure into the magnet out of the back. So when you're playing this woofer for an extended period of time, it's going to dissipate heat and keep that voice coil cool. The XXX series of woofers are designed for ported enclosures. They're optimized. We have specs on our website to help you build an enclosure. And of course, our guys here at Wet Sounds can help you design an enclosure for any type of application so you can get the most out of these woofers. The Wet Sounds XXX series of subwoofers. Check us out at wetsounds.com for more information.